Hey, this is Ryan from Catholic Glass doing an unboxing review for a company called GloryAndShine. A little bit of back story to the company. They are a Catholic-owned company. They make Catholic beard balm and beard oil, which is amazing. Being Catholic, it's always an amazing thing to find a company that is not only Catholic, but also makes the products that you want to review, and you also makes the products that you're looking forward to being able to get as either a gift as a Catholic man or just a gift, period. A little bit backstory on it. I contacted Richard over at GloryAndShine, and he was very gracious, very amazing person, very nice. Shipped me some stuff out in about 2 days, got here quickly, got a little excited, opened the box up, make sure everything was alright. Everything got here okay, so I could do the review. First thing out of the box was my new prayer card, which is going to be in every video right there. I love prayer cards. I love everything about them. They're amazing. They're always something nice to keep around to realize that the graces of God. I am very grateful for this. Thank you. Very special touch. Very meaningful. The oils that they have 3 oils. One is Lucas, the second one is Sylvia, and the third one is Benedictus, which is, the first one is also has a saint on it, which is Saint Maximilian Kolbe. The second one is old Padre Pio, man, you can't go wrong with. Love him. And the third one is Beatified Solstice Casey, which the third one is a little special in itself because he hasn't yet become a saint. We need to pray for him. We need him as a saint. Amazing man. He done amazing things. Beard balm, they come in 4-ounce tins. Look at that. That is a huge, huge bomb. That's awesome. You're not going to run through that anytime soon. It's going to take you a while. It's going to take you many Sundays to get through that. But the amazing thing about this is I'll read what's in these oils and also balm. They're pretty much almost exactly the same. They have a verse out of the Bible. What the ingredients is all organic, but it also has a small ingredient when I get down to the end that is makes this company a little bit more special than other companies. And being that it is also natural, organic, and supernatural. When's the last time you ever heard, or the first time you ever heard, or last, that a company has a product that is not only natural, but supernatural? And I'll get into that when I read down through here. The products it's in this is virgin olive oil, argan kernel, grapeseed, chamomile, pumpkin seed oil, almond oil, and essence oil of tea tree and cedar wood. And what makes this, being that I'm from the Brown Scapular, a member of the Brown Scapular, is it also has miracle water from Our Lady of Lourdes. Not only does the oil have it, but the balm has it as well. This is a must for any Catholic man that has a beard. Do I recommend this company? Yes. I recommend this company very highly because not only are they a very nice company that helped not only this channel out, but me. Richard, thank you very much. I will be doing an in-depth review for everything that is on here. They will have their own separate videos, being the oil and the balm. But Richard, thank you so much for sending this out. And peace be with you. And everybody else, God bless. And you guys have a great night.